CAIT, an Indian traders organization, has written to SEBI requesting that Pharmizi's proposed 6,250 billion rupees initial public offering be rejected. According to an order issued by the Delhi High Court in 2018, selling pharmaceuticals online is prohibited, according to CAIT Secretary General Praveen Khandelwal. He also stated that, despite CCI's refusal to accept the deal, Pharmizi includes Thyrocare as a subsidiary in the DRHP. According to an internal memo obtained by Business Insider, Better.com CEO Vishal Garg is taking time off effective immediately after firing 900 employees over a Zoom call. In his absence, the memo read, Board has recruited an independent third-party firm to conduct a leadership and cultural assessment, adding that Kevin Ryan, as CFO, will manage day-to-day decisions. Within the next 2 to 3 years, I think most virtual meetings will transition from 2D camera image grids to the metaverse, a 3D space with digital avatars, remarked Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. The concept is that you'll eventually utilize your avatar to meet with others in a virtual place that simulates being in an actual room with them, he continued. With a 5% GST, auto rides booked through app aggregators like Ola and Uber are projected to become more expensive starting January 1, 2022. An Uber representative demanded that the decision be reconsidered, claiming that it will harm the incomes of vehicle drivers, as well as the government's digitization plan. The government recently removed the GST exemption for online vehicle rides. Anand Mahindra remarked that after Better.com CEO Vishal Garg took time off after firing 900 employees over a Zoom call, it appeared to be unavoidable. What kind of corporate culture led this CEO to believe his actions would be rewarded? Board of directors need to focus on the culture they cultivate, Mahindra said. And added that CEOs should operate in a way they believe will help them succeed. LinkedIn's list of the top 50 companies in the United States in 2021 emerged online just days after Better.com CEO Vishal Garg sacked 900 employees in a Zoom call. Better.com's was at the top of the list when it was published in September. The mortgage financing startup also topped the list for the year 2020. In 2020, Garg issued an email to staff in which he referred to them as stupid dolphins. One reward for our valuable audience. I give a shout out to a YouTube subscriber who subscribes our channel. So, if you want to get featured in our videos, please subscribe.